Okay. So I have to connect the air here. And also here is where you can adjust the air pressure. Okay. And lock it. And then here is the volume for the distance. Okay, volume for the distance to adjust the volume. Okay, and here is the wire for the air tank tube. Tank 2. Okay, this is tank 1. Tank 1. Okay. So we have to open for the glue. And then you will see temperature. Okay. How to set the temperature? You can do. Okay, press set. And then you can increase or decrease like that. You can increase the second number, increase and decrease, and then you make a set. Okay, same here. Set, increase, decrease, move, increase, decrease, set. Okay, this is counting. Okay, and what else? The power. This is speed control. Okay, let's first test the filling volume. So before we test the filling, I should introduce that water is not glue. This is water. So we have to, the water will have some leakage because the water is thin. It's not like glue. And the glue will be dry and sometimes will stuck a little bit. So the hole of the filling nose will be small. So this way you have enough power, enough strength to push the glue into the tube. Into the bottom of the tube, in case, okay, for example, we have to make the tube at the bottom of here, so upside can be sealing well, and no glue come out. If we could use sealing wheel, a wheel sealing, like O-rings. But it will affected by the glue, and also it may have stuck for the glue. So the glue will like fill out here, this place, not at the bottom. So when you seal the tube, the glue will come out. So after the appearance, we have done the past experience. We have experience working with glue. So we make the sealing by metal and metal. Okay, so for water we have leakage, but for glue no. We will be working very good. Okay. Okay, let's try. Okay, so for filling, this is you press one time and filling nose is filling. Press. Let's try again. Okay. Let's take it out. Now I'm going to do the weight, the volume adjust. Okay.